दोनों को एक साथ में।
చూడొచ్చు పైనుంచి అంత ఎత్తులో నుంచి కిందకి ఏ విధంగా వస్తుంది. ఒకటి తల్లకిందులుగా వచ్చేది, రెండు నిలువుగా వచ్చేది. ఏ విధంగా చూసుకున్నా కానీ సేఫ్గా ఉండేటట్లు, అదేవిధంగా అనుకున్నటువంటి లక్ష్యానికి చేరే విధంగా ఈ రకమైనటువంటి
The basic aim of this training is to impart rockcraft training to all the troops. Given as the location that you can see, we are in a mountainous terrain, and it is necessary for us to, negotiate rock surfaces, valleys, and rivers, and hence this sort of training is imparted to all troops on a daily basis, so that they may be able to carry out their mission. This is a regular affair, and this sort of training usually takes place everywhere on a daily basis, and the level starts at the basic level, wherein beginners are imparted with the basics of the rockcraft, and then it gradually is elevated, so that the nuances of rockcraft in entirety are imparted to the troops, and they are proficient in negotiating any rock surface. Initially, for an individual, the challenge would be that it is a new surface that he is getting trained on, and he needs to get to know the surface. And in the same way, even on a natural rock surface also, it takes a little bit of time for the troops to get adjusted to it. So, as such, you can see it's the altitude and the thin air that also is a contributing factor in as a challenge for the troops. But with regular practice and regular fitness exercises, all this can be overcome. See, rockcraft training is a very basic and day-to-day affair. Even for our regular exercises, we use rockcraft training, and we are constantly in touch with this rockcraft training, so that we are able to impart high standard of training to our troops, and also to carry out our mission successfully.
जैसे कि जानते हो आप लोग सभी कि जो भी पैराशूट होता है वो डायरेक्ट नीचे से आता है. जैसे जो एक फ्री फॉल होता है जिसमें मतलब स्काई डाइविंग वाला, वो पैराशूट क्या टोगल के साथ हम ट्रेवल करते हैं, तो जहाँ पे हमको पहुँचना है वहाँ तक पहुँच सकता है. ठीक इसी यहाँ पे भी ऐसे ही है. ये भी जो एजीव है, इसमें ऑटोनोमस गाइडेड यूनिट दे रखा है. ये अपने आप क्या है, किसी पैराशूट को मैनुअल करके, अपने टोगल को अपने हिसाब से मैनुअल करके, जो हम कोऑर्डिनेट करके जो जीआर डालते हैं इसके अंदर, वो जीआर में ये पहुंचाता है. जो भी हम उसमें अम्यूनिशन दे दिया, एक्सप्लोजिव दे दिया, जो भी दिया हमारे को जो चाहिए, वो हमारे वहाँ तक, हम जहाँ पे मुकाम तक वहाँ पे पहुँचाता है. यस, ये कार मतलब जिप्सी को तब कर सकता है, ये जो हमारा जीपेड जो ड्रैगन फ्लाई है उसके अंदर हम कार को डाल सकते हैं. मतलब मैक्सिमम जीपेड का जो एक है 10 के, जिसमें 10 के वाला हमें आपको 4200 केजी तक दे सकते हैं. 4200 केजी आप डाल सकते हो. और ये जो 2K है, यानी कि फायरफ्लाई, इसमें हम 999 केजी डाल सकते हैं. ये अगर विंड नॉर्मल है तो इसने 28 किलोमीटर तक जा सकते हैं.